In this video, let's learn how to manage the fuel for your vehicles. Log into your VP account using the username and password provided, and once you arrive at the home page, go to the transport section, and here you can see the fuel section for the vehicles. When you go to manage, you can see all the vehicles that are currently added that are displayed. And once we start adding entries, these data will get updated, such as the distance traveled by the vehicle, the fuel consumed, and the average fuel consumption, and the last value of mileage that was recorded. To view the history of fuel, click View History, and here you could see all the fuel entries that were made earlier. And here you can see the mileage of that particular entry, and the distance travel, and the price of the fuel per liter, and the cost of the fuel that was added, and the number of liters of fuel that was added, which is diesel in this case. And here we can filter all the data by choosing the vehicle, A1, A2 or A3, or we can also use the register number to select, and we can also select it by date. For example, here it's the 1st of August, and if you select something else, it won't display it. So all data is in 1st August, and when we select 1st August, all data is displayed. To add a fuel entry, we need to go to the fuel section again, and then here we need to add the add fuel entry, and here we can select the date. For example, I'm going to select August 13, which is today, and I'm going to select 10, for example, and select the ID as A1, and the previous odometer reading has arrived as 460, and the current odometer reading that I'm gonna give is 500, and here I'm going to say the number of liters that I have added is 6 liters, and the cost of 6 liters is going to be 450, which gives the price per liter as 75, and the fuel type is selected as default as diesel. And here, if we want to select the fuel station name, for example, Pala Enterprises, we can do that, and the name of the person who refueled the vehicle. So in this case, I'm going to select Dinesh, for example, and when we hit save, all data will be updated for that particular vehicle. Here you could see that last mileage was 6.67, and the average is 4.24 now, and here the total fuel consumed and the distance traveled is updated for that particular vehicle. And when we go to the history, we can see that a new entry that we just now added has been added here. So that's how you add fuel.